Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix if your MIDI keyboard's plugged in but for some reason it's not working. So first we're going to go up to the top left hand corner, we're going to click on options. Next we're going to go ahead and click on MIDI settings, which is the first option underneath that. I'm going to scroll down, and normally what happens, you've got to select the device. So the device is selected here, but external sync is off, which is this little thing down the bottom. So this is going to make it so that when you press buttons on your keyboard, it's just not going to make any sounds. So if we click this and we just change it to Casio USB MIDI or whatever your device is named, we just hit OK. It'll give us a little warning, but once we've done that and we cross this off, we should be able to get sound again. So now I can like click on, say, bass, and I can get a sound. And that's how you fix it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.